youth of America are sobering up. At least that's according to a report released Thursday from the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. The survey found that for kids between the ages of 12 and 20, drinking rates fell 6.1% from 2002 to 2013. And binge drinking, defined as having 5 or more drinks on the same occasion, fell 5.1%. While new laws and tougher regulations have helped to curb teen alcohol use, some of the numbers are still pretty high. According to the data, there are approximately 9 million underage drinkers in the country, and the rate of binge drinking for kids between the age of 18 and 20 has hovered around 40% for the last decade. In an effort to combat underage binge drinking on campuses, some college presidents have started a movement called the Amethyst Initiative, which argues that lowering the drinking age might actually bring down binge drinking rates if students are allowed to drink in the open. Others in the public health community disagree, saying that lowering the age will only put lives at risk.